Hey, how's it going, YouTube? It's the Internet Income Ninja. Hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. In this short video, I'm going to share with you how freelancers can increase their chances of getting hired. Um, Real quick, there are some links below. If you are anxious and ready to go to work and do your 9 to 5 thing, that's great. But some people are more willing to start an online business. If you are into that state of mind, then check some links below. The first two links in the description below. These links take you to free webinars that teach you how you could earn money online by starting your own business. And once you click the links, a page will pop up that you enter your name and email address in. This is just so we can reach out to you to let you know of any future changes or improvements to anything that we're recommending. So check those out. These are affiliate links. A commission is earned if you choose to purchase a product, just full disclosure. But that's it. And let's just jump into this. Now, this company is called TopTal. TopTal is an agency that connects businesses with freelancers. We see nowadays that more people are going the route of working remotely, especially during COVID-19. But even without COVID-19, people were more thinking along the lines of working from home as a freelancer. Now, there are many companies that you and I know about every single day. We hear about them every day. There's Airbnb, Bridgestone, the tire company, Duolingo, which is a language teaching app, USC, Shopify, and Cleveland Cavaliers. Wow. So a lot of them join TopTal to find talent to work for their companies. Now, we've talked about this in the previous videos, the benefits of being a freelancer to the company and to the freelancer. So what TopTal does is connect people to jobs and jobs to people. Now, so that's what they do in a nutshell. If you want to find a job using TopTal, all you do, you click apply as a freelancer. Or if you want to work for TopTal, you just go to the bottom, scroll to the bottom, hit careers, and you can apply for a position at TopTal itself. Alright, so you go to career opportunities, and you'll see all the opportunities available in different departments throughout the company. So there's publications, marketing and communications, finance, people, growth, talent operations, sales and delivery, business ops, biz ops, engineering, product. Or, like I said, if you want to apply as a freelancer, just hit apply as a freelancer. So you'll say you're a freelancer and you would highlight what category you fall under. So there's development, so programming and development, you're in design, finance expert, project manager, product manager. So these are the main categories that they have available at the moment for freelancers. You enter your email, password. So you're basically creating an account. So you enter your email address, your password, confirm your password and your full name. And once you hit this button here, you are acknowledging that your information is confidential. You're agreeing that TopTal's thing is confidential and that you won't publicly disclose details about this process to anyone. So when you submit, you acknowledge that you have read and agreed to their terms and service and all that stuff. So you join TopTal, and then they would, once they receive your information and once you're screened, once your information is received and you're screened, then you will be considered for any positions that your skill set would apply to. And it's literally that simple. So if there's something that you're currently doing already, you could apply for this, and while you're doing that, this process will be going through its motions and all that jazz. You go through the process, you get hired, and then you can work both whatever you're doing previously and this current opportunity. So it's something you could look into if you're trying to find something else to supplement or something to switch to as a freelancer. that you could earn or do full time. And that's TopTal. So that's TOPTAL.com. They're always looking for talent to work for different companies in different industries, and this could be your next big break. So if you like what I shared today, hit the like button, subscribe, share with a friend. Check the links in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.